It took me about 3 weeks to understand how Iman Ghazi built a multi-million dollar business online. And let's break down his most revenue generated video, which bring him about $20 million online in just few days. So you're probably thinking for whom this system works. So any person who just selling service, any person who want to grow from YouTube, info product, drop shipping, any service you want to sell with online, this system works. So Iman first uploaded few videos for the audience called top of funnel market. For the beginners, top of funnel market is the market. If you're selling a script writing course, you're targeting people that want to make money online, that want to start their online businesses, and this is the top of funnel market, like people who want your service but not specifically copywriting. So these audience are the audience that want some services online to just grow their businesses but not specifically copywriting services.
So look, if you click this short video, it's because you want to create an online business. So pay attention, because I'm about to show you how you can take advantage of this new arbitrage economy to start a business with virtually no startup capital.
And when you have some value authority on your channel, you just post a VSL. If you just got some audience that called top of funnel market, that will be poured into the VSL that you have uploaded after building a few months of authority towards your channel, and that audience will just see your VSL and just decide whether they want to build a business throughout the copywriting. They want the product that you are selling. If the problems that you are just telling on your VSL are the problems that your audience is facing, so probably they need your product, so they will buy from that VSL. We are not going to pitch in any of the video that we are initially posting on the channel. We will be pitching on just the VSL, and that's what Iman did. And importantly, we will not position the VSL as a sales letter or just name it as a VSL. We'll just position that VSL as a normal video onto your channel, but it will be highly engaging. It will be giving all the knowledge that you have for your audience and all the pain points your audience is facing, all just combined into one video, and that video will just act as 24/7 sales machine for you. It can be a free course of ours. You are all giving like the free sauce into the video, and you probably thinking like, if I give all the free knowledge, then why will people just hop into my coaching or my offer? So let me just clear you one thing. People are so lazy to just do them by self. They just need a mentor or a guide, or most probably a done for you service is the best thing you can just sell in this VSLs. People love done for you services rather than explain for you services. As Alex Ramosi also said, people don't buy products, they buy solutions. And that's what exactly Iman did in this video. He created a single video called Best Business Model Online to just start in 2020. As the title suggests, it targets the top of funnel market plus the bottom of funnel market. So what he's trying to just get on to the video is the people who are just looking for some business to just start online. So in 2022, there was not a big knowledge about how to just start online businesses and how you can just scale in online space. So people want some guide, some guru to just help them throughout this process. So Iman took a very big challenge and he just make this video, and he's explaining every single thing. So let's break it down. And and as I already told, all the audience from his A to Z video that he posted like in few years, like he started his channel at 2017 or 2018, and all that 3-4 year audience that he just captured throughout those years was just poured into this VSL, and this VSL just acted him as a sales machine, resulting over 9 million views in just few years. Regardless, he's on the beach working from his laptop, or even just sleeping on the beach, or even just racing his Lamborghini, he was able to book hundreds of millions of dollars with this single video.
So look, we are entering a new era. Everything is changing. The way we buy, the way we work, the way we live, and so does the way that people do business.
Also explains like, if you don't have like 33 minutes to invest in your financial future, well, this is guess like this business model isn't worth for you. This tactic both qualifies serious viewer and uses bit of FOMO, fear of missing out, as you already know. If you just create a FOMO throughout your video, like if you don't do this, you will lose this much money, or you will lose this much of your financial future. They will have a FOMO, like if they don't do this now, it will be hard for them even after like few days or few like months they take the action. Rather than just explaining the worth of taking action, just explain them the cause of not taking action. After that, he quickly highlights his own story and accomplishments right after a big promise. In a few quick sentences, he establishes authority by mentioning his years of experience and success. For example, like he said, making money since 2016, founding multiple businesses online, and eight-figure crypto portfolio, and etc. So, by explaining this, he just enters into the viewer's mind. He just tells them he has the authority. He just explain you why he did this and why you should even listen to him in the first place. By saying these kind of sentences, he made a logical trigger into the viewer's mind. Why should they even watch to him? But he did in the future, that he had the authority to just explain them.
We're entering what experts are calling the new arbitrage economy.
So the purpose of using arbitrage economy is to tell people like he has the authority. He has just made a new mechanism that nobody knows. He just only mastered this mechanism and he knows how it works, how he just grows you from zero to $10,000 with just this single new mechanism that is only just mastered by Iman Ghazi, because nobody's telling you about the digital arbitrage economy rather than Iman Ghazi. Then he just built instant credibility by listing his multiple businesses, a YouTube channel, affiliate income, or like crypto portfolio. Just tell viewers, I have done it and I'll show you how you can do it by yourself. Like people would be like most curious at this point, like what is the method? Like what is the digital arbitrage economy? But Iman Ghazi really did in few years, like who made him a multi-million dollar in just like 4 or 5 years of working in online space with this digital arbitrage economy model. Once the viewer he just hooks, he reframes the viewer frustration. That's it's not you that's broken, it's the business model. So just getting all the trauma, all the curiosity, everything from the viewer head, like I am doing it wrong, I am doing it wrong. Like just getting all his burden from his head to Iman's head, like I am here to just explain you why this model doesn't work. It's not your fault. It's the fault of the model. That's what Iman Ghazi whole motive is.
People approach starting an online business and why that's the reason that over 90% of them fail.
This immediately validates the viewer frustration. They have tried, they have failed before, and creates a urgency about the better way that Iman will explain through this video. He just introduces 6 core matrices: unitary gain, startup capital cost, profit margin, demand fulfillment, and deal type. Then he analyzes business models like dropshipping, Amazon FBA, and affiliate marketing, and info products through this lens, exposing like how this require how capital, how poor margins are they have, and are extremely difficult to scale as a beginner. And he uses red, yellow, and a green color to just highlight pros and cons of the model, because in humans head green color just represent to a good signal, and red or yellows color are a bit dangerous color, we can say, in the human psychology. And he just mastered the human psychology plus the copywriting skill into framing this VSL, and it is a master copy that I can say. Then this leave another question, like another open loop for the viewer, like what is the best business model? Because till now he just mentioned all the pain points, all the business models that they have started, and all the points why they have failed. But till now he haven't given the solution, and this is making curiosity line by line for Iman Ghazi viewers to just get the answer from Iman. When he's gonna tell about the business model that they should just actually start, how they can make their first $10,000 online. That's what Iman Ghazi wanted from the first sentence of the video.
Playing a new video game in the hardest difficulty instead of working your way up.
A new game, the hardest difficulty. This leads to frustration and lost savings. And a famous quote by Warren Buffett is, never test the depth of the river with both feet. That he just all mentioned into this part of the video. Like you are failing because you just choose the wrong business model, and just get into the wrong business model and just put all your efforts and energy into the wrong business model. So it's not your fault, it's the business model fault. Now the people are just thinking like it's a business model for, and if we just put the same energy, same effort, same time into the smartest thing that's out there and that is made for us for the beginners, this will make worth like sticking 33 minutes of this video. So this lead to the part 3 of the Iman Ghazi VSL, the solution, ROI plus contract arbitrage. Now he just introduced another contract arbitrage. So as we just go in the back previous one, he just mentioned arbitrage economy, and now he's mentioning contract arbitrage. So he just getting onto this new mechanism, giving a specific statement, word like he would call them, and just making more curiosity into viewers' head like, what is this? We have never heard of this. And after staring up all this, Ivan just get onto the solution, introducing the recommended business model. As all the problems he just discussed, now he has to give the solution. He just label this solution as a compelling way, ROI marketing plus contract arbitrage. He uses analogies like Uber, Airbnb, and normalizes the concept of connecting premium price. In practice, Iman showed like you can charge local business anywhere from $1,500 to $10,000 per month for managing their marketing. Instead of needing thousands or hundreds of dollars into just sales or just running Facebook ad for ourselves, one client can be worth multiple $1,000 per month. He also highlights that this model has incredible margins with very low cost to deliver the service, and you can gain up to 97% of the profit. And he adds cherry on the top by saying the contract arbitrage is niche. You don't have to personally fulfill the service because you are the business owner. You just need to get the clients on top, on top, on top. So you can just make a ladder and you can just tag the clients one on one and just getting client and just closing 2 3 clients every single month and just tagging each on them. And after like 10 months or like 12 months you have 50 clients, and boom, you are making more than $50,000 with 97% of the profit margin, and you don't even have to work for them. Contractors that you hire will just work for them, and you are free here to just enjoy your business and enjoy a vacation to Bali. And that's what he meant by the digital arbitrage model. Now he's making win-win for all of the people. You, the client, the contractor, everyone is at win-win solution. Iman emphasizes that you can hire experienced contractors from the place, the talent, where labor is very cheap. As Warren Buffett also said, risk comes with not knowing what you are actually doing. So that's what Iman is solving in this section. To prove it works, he shared like multiple success stories of his students and who just went for Uber Eats drives like $10,000, or teens making 5 figures from home. If they can do, you can do it too. This primes the viewer to believe if they can do this while just working on McDonald's, while just working on Uber, you can do it same. So let me just explain your concept. Like if you want to make like the best VSL or the best world best like the sales copy, you need to just answer all the viewers question that the viewer is thinking while just watching your video. Like they need to answer everything through this video. Then it makes the best VSL, it makes the best sales letter of the world if you are answering every single thing that a viewer think into your sales copy. And this comes down to the part 4, this 4-step system to $10,000 month. As Iman Gadi just hooked the viewer in the starting by just telling like I will just deliver you the plug and play system. Now he just fulfilling the dream that he just painted in the viewer mind in the starting of the video. So after convincing the viewer that ROI marketing plus contractor arbitrage is the right vehicle, Ema Nedge delivers a roadmap, a structured step-by-step game plan to just reach and $10,000 the goal. That section is initially a mini training like adds a ton of value and knowledge into the viewer's head. By outlining the actionable step, he not only educates the viewer, building trust by giving results in advance, but also makes the path of success feel concrete and attainable. This structure also sustains viewer interest, like representing four steps as act as an open loop through the viewer head. So if you just want to make the best copy out there, you just need to just follow a structure called open loop and closed loop structure. So in this structure, basically you have to just make a open loop, like you have to just say a incomplete sentence to the viewer, or maybe it can be a question to in the viewer head, and after that you just need to close that loop and open another one. If you're just saying like you need to learn best copywriting skills in 2025, the arbitrage or the new era is coming. So viewer will have what is the new era and all the stuff, the question will be there. So it just opens question into the viewer head and the loop is already open. Then you have to just answer all the question and it will act as the closed loop. So you just need to open loop throughout the videos and just close loop throughout the videos, and it makes the best copy out there. So he just give a small glimpse like what is in the course, and after that he'll just pitch you for the course, right? And after just giving all the manageable and trackable process, he just get on to the pitch, and the pitch is very smart. He just represented two choices like go alone, slow and hard, or follow. The path is made clearer by those who have walked it before you. So, what's the path? So, people would be more curious. So, we just introduced his course called Agency Navigator. The program just revealed like all the success stories shown by the students in the program, stacked the value 40 plus hours, templates, calculators, live calls, private coaching, and addressing objection, no experience needed, full support, tools included. And to make the urgency, he just made like the agency right now, just agency model right now just costs about like 1400 maybe like $1,500, and after that it will be switching to 1,500 years soon. And it's not like the urgency that they just made or like a false value they just created. It just happened like after few time they just made it to like 1,500 a year, right? So I just checked it. So clear CTA like link in description or join a call for the questions. Now I'm listing you the takeaways from the videos that you can just implement it right now to your YouTube video. So the first one is structure value delivering. Break the solution into step-by-step format in like case 4 steps, like providing clarity and logical flow. Position himself as a mentor and increasing the trust. So giving the actionable details, example for each step include like enough details so people can just take action right away. For instance, he names specific demand industries like real estate, solar, e-com, and ROI services like SEO, like Facebook ads. And a good choice, the cities realistically methods like use Loom videos to send personalized audit and everything else that he gave detail in the video. By tracking objections during the training, Iman just reduces the instance of conversion point. Viewers feel ready and see joining his program or training as a logical next step, not a leap of faith. So after that, the retention through is by open loops and gives throughout the video, as you can just copy that too. Announcing 4 steps as outside of the section creates an open loop that keeps people watching until 4 of them were revealed. Additionally, reminding them of promised gifts. So as we were just seeing his video throughout, right? So after he just explained all the things, all the formulas, all the step by step processes. Then this next step logically means like buying his course, right? Because we got all the knowledge that we needed for the agency model. And to just deep down into the agency model, the next logical step for the viewer is just to buy his course. And what he want to just do it throughout the urgency and the FOMO that he created with his video. Overall, Iman Gaji UT funnel is the strategy in a masterclass in structure, storytelling, psychology, and it's a blueprint that you can just apply to many info product or coaching business right away to the execution. So if you just enjoy the video, just leave a like button and just subscribe to the channel. Thanks.